Welcome back. In this video, we shall learn how to concatenate strings and variables using the ES6 syntax. We know in vanilla JavaScript, if we had var name set to Bimbo, and I want to say my name is Bimbo, the way to do that in vanilla JavaScript is to set a variable of my name and set it to my name is, come outside here and say name. Now when I console.log my name, you'd see the results. My name is Bimbo, and this is how to concatenate strings and variables in vanilla JavaScript. Now in the ES6 syntax, I can concatenate a string and a variable by saying var name set to Bimbo, and I can say my name and set this to the string I want to be printed out in my console. But to do that, in the ES6 syntax, we won't use the quotation marks anymore. We are going to be using backticks, and this is found under the escape key on your keyboard. So we are going to be using backticks, and we would say my name is, using the $sign to call a variable with the curly bracket and our passing name in here. Now when I console.log my name and I run our code, you see it says my name is Bimbo. You see it's different from the vanilla JavaScript syntax that we know. First of all, we no more use quotation marks here, we use the backticks. Also, we have the $sign here and the curly brackets. This is used to pass in variables, and in this case my variable is name. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe.